Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and here we are looking at a huge tower. We'll call it a tower of power. No, it's not a Mercury outboard. Huge tower for a PC. This is insane. Why is this thing so large? Look at this thing though. It's got so many attachments. And yes, we are going to look at this and see how this one is built. So, let me get into it. So I figured how the top came off. That was simple. Take a look here. Take a look down there. Oh my word, look at everything in here. This is insane. How do the sides come off? I'm gonna have to figure that out now. And the sides came off just as simple, I hope. Well, hopefully. Hard to do things with one hand. Let me get those sides off. It's been a long time since I did one of these. Actually, over a year since I've taken apart a computer just to see how it's built. Now, I didn't see any markings on this one. So, I don't know what this one is or who makes this one. So does anybody know? Because I certainly do not. Or is it just a tower that somebody put together? All I know is it's pretty insanely large. Let's do this. And we know the power unit is up here. I don't have to touch that probably. And wow, we got so many things in here. This is kind of insane. We got the motherboard here. I want to get that out probably. There. Try to unhook some of these wires here. There. So it looks like they're pretty easy to unplug. Is what I'm getting here. Actually quite easy to unplug. And we got a couple of cards here. So, a couple of cards. Does anybody know? See, I'm a noob. That's why this is in my noob with computer section. We have a speaker right here. What is this? And a fan. We got a speaker and a fan. There we go. Okay. Figured that one out pretty simply. So there's the fan. What kind is it here? Stealth. 12 volt DC van by Vantech. So there we are with the fan. Don't know if this was a good fan at the time. I'm guessing it is what it is, right? So let us unplug this. Let us unplug this. And there's another little fan there. That's probably, there's a, see, I haven't done this in so long I forget what a lot of this stuff is called now. Wow. So this is, oh, DVD here. So that's a DVD. It's way too long since I've done this. Let's take out the RAM here. See what we had for RAM in here. So, here, I'll show that to you. Hopefully it'll focus on that. You can see what that says. C-bit warranty. So this came from C-bit. These RAM here. DDR. Made by Nanya. Yeah, there's two of them, so there's the other one. Yeah, let me get out. Do more of this computer stuff again. I was really into liking computer stuff As I tip my, I gotta watch it, camera's tippy. I was really into it, and then I got out of it, but I still like to dabble and look at how things are made in a computer. It's just kind of fun. I find it fun. And there's a few things in here. Let's see if I can get this one out. There we go. Here, I'll take a look at that in a second. I'll take this one out. Unplug that. And we have a little guy down here. This one. Whatever this one is. This one, I guess, is for internet. Is that what this one is? I think so. So, it says D-Link. Is any of this stuff ever good? I'm not sure. And what's this one? This is the one that I took out second. Let me wipe off this. That's the one I took out second. Warranty void if something, if removed. Oh, dang. Warranty's void now. So it has a creative audacity. Is this a sound board? I don't really know. This, though, is a Radeon. There we go. We got a Radeon here. Was that any good for the time? I'm not sure. Looks pretty neat for whatever time this came out of. Let me get a look at, see if I can find some dates on some of this. Well, I do know this is some sort of a video board here, since it would come out of these and head to your monitor. But ATI Radium, I don't know how good this was. If anybody knows, hey, sure. There we go. What else am I looking at in here? I'm not going to take the motherboard out. I'm going to just try to take the chips out. So there we are. I think I got a lot of this stuff out here. So what is this? The CPU. I think it broke when I took out the heatsink. That's just awesome. Well, let's see what we got here. AMD. Something. Is that? Oh, and well, I dropped it. So that's perfect. Not that it matters. It's never going back in. Yeah, it broke when I took it out. Assembled in Malaysia. Well, another piece. But this definitely is older. I'm not taking out the motherboard. I don't think I have to. There's the heatsink. Pretty corroded up, or grimy. So whoever had this did not do any regular cleaning inside of their tower here. It's a pretty big tower though, I gotta admit. And the motherboard's half decent size. I was shocked. It's got 3 channels for RAM. And I think it was probably a half decent computer in the day when this was new, but I'm not really sure. I don't know computers. That's why I do these videos, to have people tell me what they see and let me learn. It's been a long time since I did one of these, so I've actually lost knowledge on this kind of stuff, but I'll do a couple more coming up this winter, and hopefully, I don't know, maybe I'll learn something. I haven't really found a really cool one yet, but what can I say? I'm a noob with computers. So, hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and just taking a quick look at what we got here.